Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best online teaching platforms. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Teachmint application, site? Teachmint is an across-the-board instruction innovation stage made explicitly for the guides of the advanced age. Consolidating live classes, understudy commitment devices just as different other study hall encouraging highlights, the stage centers around making a profoundly vivid online experience. If you want to join as a teacher and start your online teaching career, link in the description box. Check out. How would you utilize the Teachmint application? The initial step is to download the teaching application from the Play Store. When you introduce the application, you will be approached to sign in utilizing your versatile number. Pick your job, i.e., regardless of whether you are an educator or understudy, and presto. You will have the option to utilize all the astounding highlights that Teachmint offers. What we offer. We help educators to direct online classes and make a solid learning circle. Educating carries straightforwardness and productivity to the table by giving mentors bundled web-based instructing devices. We empower guides to confer information from any place around the world inside a tick. Classes past study halls. Collaborate with understudies continuously. Significant learning isn't confined to actual study halls. 1. Two-way interactive live classes. 2. Share study material. 3. Share videos. Simple administration. Bring all your homeroom administrator apparatuses in one spot and spare time. 1. Timetable. 2. Automated attendance. 3. Fee management. Understudy engagement. Increment understudy connection and disentangle correspondence. 1. Doubtrooms. 2. Assignments and tests. 3. Notice board. 4. Student chat. Survey and progress. Dissect understudy, advance and change your way to deal with understudy learning the correct way. 1. Automated grading. 2. Reports and analytics. I hope you all are enjoying the video and start your online teaching career from today. If you get the more online earning video, please subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon. Show your love by share the video and leave a comment. Good luck.